Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to look at what we need to get started in creating the registration system with PHP. So first things first, we will need to install a local server. We have a number of them. There is WAMP, XAMPP, but for this tutorial, I'll be using XAMPP. So for XAMPP, you can go to the XAMPP website, click on the website, then select the download depending on the operating system that you are working with. So once you've downloaded this, depending on the operating system that you are working with, so the installation should not be a problem to you as it has simple installation steps. So once you've installed XAMPP, you should have something like this. So we've started the server, so the server is running. So we can access the local server by just going to localhost. So if I type here localhost, I should be able to access the XAMPP dashboard. So if I click on PHP of course this is going to redirect me to PHP dashboard, whereby we can create our databases from. But we won't be creating our database directly from here. We will be creating a script that will automate the creation of the database. So with that, we will be set with our local server. Then the next thing that we need is to have a look at the code. So we have our code hosted on GitHub, but I'll suggest that you code with me from scratch, but you can get started using the HTML files as instructed in the later tutorials. I'll advise you to code with me as we proceed with this tutorial, instead of copy pasting the codes directly from GitHub. It will be harder to understand what the code does as opposed to coding with me as we proceed with this tutorial. So that's all that we need to get started with this tutorial series. So see you into the next tutorial series, where we will start coding the setup file for our system.